life ahead becomes very easy. During my years as a student, I did some minor course in minor specialized adolescent psychology. And I realized that, the adolescents are one of those people who are pressured the most. They have a lot of tension, a lot of anxiety because they're coming out of the secure environments of the home, stepping into the unknown large world outside. A lot of expectations from the parents, the society, the whole nation. It's the time to make up or break up. That should not happen. A student feel at home, in the institute, and out there in the industry, and out there open in the world, global world outside. That can't happen unless until they have a holistic training and given sufficient opportunity to discover their love, meaning, and purpose. Because it is the inspiration, love, and meaning which gives you the confidence. That's how it's called the Atma Bal. There is something called which is psychological confidence, but this is spiritual confidence. And my view, spiritual confidence is the only confidence. It's a matter of circumstances. Circumstantial confidence is no confidence. Something which is inherently there with you all the time. Okay? That is what counts. So that's what it is.